Morning guys. This morning we're going to go out and head out to Macassar, try for some cob. My regular fishing partner Terence can't make it this weekend, so it'll just be Keith and myself. Have a little chat about our drone issue last weekend. Apparently it is illegal, so I'll post a bit of that later in the video. A little bit more detail for all the guys out there that are fishing with, well, not fishing, but flying drones. Some interesting bylaws to be aware of. But alright, we'll catch you on the other side there, and let's hope we have a successful day. Alright guys, Terence, we're here at the blockhouse in honor of you and John, the legend. They couldn't join us today, unfortunately. A few guys out on the beach. Weather's looking a bit crappy, but there is a frontal system coming in. Let's see if it makes a difference. Keith's made us some coffee. We have our first rod in the water. We'll bait up the second one after a cup of coffee. Yeah, let's see what happens. See if we get anything today. Keith's fishing with a little rod. Seems to be on with something. Take it easy. Slowly, slowly. Go Keith! Oh, lekker man, lekker. Slowly, slowly. Try and bring him with the wave. Told you that hole looked good. What have we got here? Bring him. Look at that, a little cob. First cob for the day. Keith, look at that, look at you. Bloody. Don't hurt him. I don't think his size, but... So, Keith is the fisherman for the day. Like a 55 centimeter cob on our little rod with a small sardine tail, and right there, a little bit of a hole that I saw, and I said to Keith, just pop it into the hole, and literally threw it into the hole. Not even 3 minutes.
3 minutes, top.
Wah, and he's on. Keith, well done, bro.
Shot, thanks brother.
Terence, Keith is putting us to shame today. Second fish on already. On that small rod. You guys all laugh at my small rod, but I'm telling you, this one not as big as the other one. Yeah, he's coming out easier. Still fun though. Just check this out. What have we got? What is that? also a crop. No, it's a shark. No, a little shark. There we go. Still fun. Scam high. So, I'm sitting here on Macassar beach, and as some of you might have seen on Terence Simpson's angling YouTube channel, last weekend we were doing some drone footage on the beach while we were fishing, and the city of Cape Town law enforcement stopped by and issued us with a fine. And there Keith comes out with a little steenbras. Yeah, well done. Keith is the fisherman for the day, bro. Yeah? Lovely little steenbras. Awesome, man. Well done, Keith. Again. Got a bit interrupted there. Keith got himself a little steenbras. So he's on the leaderboard today. One couple here. One shark and a little steenbras. Anyway, getting back to the whole drone issue. So the officer fined us for flying a drone in what they classify as a nature reserve, Macassar Dune Conservation Area. So I wasn't happy with that anyway, but I then contacted Mr. Dyson. I think he is the chief law enforcement officer or something like that for Western Cape, city of Cape Town, Western Cape, and a few mails between us, and he sent me a breakdown of what they classify the bylaws for drone flying. So any nature reserve, even the Dune Conservation Area, which is not in my mind a nature reserve as per se, but you may not fly your drone, which I'm aware of. But there is an interesting bylaw that he brought out, that City of Cape Town has a bylaw that doesn't allow any drone flying on beaches. This is something I was totally unaware of, and I mean, I've done a lot of photography of the beaches. So it's unfortunate. We will have to save that photography for further up country, where I know there are areas that we can fly them without being hassled by people. So yeah, just a warning out there to fellow hobby drone flyers. If you don't have permission to fly a drone on the beach somewhere, there's a good chance you could get caught and fined. It's a R2,500 fine. So they have told me to approach the city for a reduction on the fine, so we will try that. In the meantime, we've got some good footage, and I'll put it up on this video as well. So yeah. Let's get back to some fishing, and we'll post sections of this video in the fishing video as well. So it's a lovely day, a bit windy, there's a cold front moving in, the fish have gone quiet, but anyway, until the other side we'll Keith is on again with a small rod. It looks like he's picked up a shark or something, and he's struggling to get it in. Eh? Is it a blue ray? Is it a ray? Wait, let it come with the wave. This little rod is a bit small for what he's got on there. Just try and hold him when he knows the wave breaks. Try and pull him in with that. Just wait. Keith is on the leaderboard today, like 10 times over. Can't keep up with this like today. Oh, there he is. Okay, come back, quickly. While the water's coming in. Silverado's seen some action today. Okay, walk back with the wave. Tiring faster, the Ray or Keith? That's what I'm saying. Is it a Blu-ray? Yeah, good stuff. Probably foul hooked as well. Ah, snapped off. Well, so close. The ray snapped Keith off, but we'll take it as a catch because it was on the beach. The rod and tackle's just too light for that size. So anyway, well done, Keith. So that concludes our fishing for the day. This oak here has outfished me today.
It's luck.
Like second cast with that tiny rod, beautiful cob. Then I think the next cast after that he pulled out a shark. And then later when we were fishing this little spot here, he picked up a little steenbras and then hooked that ray, about a 15 kilo blue ray. So the tackle was just too light, we just couldn't land it in the surf zone right as the waves break. Just couldn't get it past that and eventually snapped us off. But still a catch as far as I'm concerned. If he had a slightly bigger rod he would have landed it. So no, not a bad day for the day, guys. If you like any of the content, please subscribe, like the video, share it, and yeah, like Terence says, keep it real. Today's just been a great day. Thanks. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Time for a beer. I'm going to do a bit of a cob cook up tonight. Keith's cob that he caught. Only one, but it's one, so I'm going to do some fish and chips and a salad. So I've been growing some of my own lettuces and tomatoes. Got a tomato plant going there, and I still put this box together and get some more going there. And we have a little tomato plant here that's struggling to hold itself up. Let's come and tie that up. We've got a few different varieties of lettuce. Very nice to have a fresh salad with your fish. We've got some herbs. We chop those herbs up into the salad. Makes for a very nice flavor. So I'm going to pick some of these now, and then we'll get on to cooking that fish. So what I find is very nice. When you put a salad together, I've got fresh mint leaves, oregano and basil, and I take those, I chop them up very fine and then put them into the salad. And every now and again you get that hint as you're crunching through your salad, and that hint of mint is, oh, it's really nice. And then we also have some various rockets plants, and we'll take some of these, and that little I can't remember, I think this is thyme, but also you chop it up fine with the other herbs and mix it into that salad. And I mean, there's a beautiful fresh salad that won't spoil, because we'll eat it all tonight, and tomorrow night you'll have another one if you want to go and get more. It's just so much nicer than buying those packets of lettuce leaves in the shop, and they don't last. So we've got our chips going. Chips are on the go there. We have filleted our fish and cut it up into pieces. Got an egg mix going here for batter, and flour mixed with a little bit of lemon fish spice and salt. We'll coat those, batter it up, and then start with the salad. So guys, I need some help here. I'll make a pretty damn good salad, but I'm a very poor fish cooker. So please post any ideas, recipes down in the comments, and I'll definitely try them out. But we'll still get to eat it. It'll still be nice, but it won't be as good as some of yours. Sophia? This is Sophia. She hangs around the kitchen, waiting for something to drop on the floor. Eh? Are you hungry? You've just had supper. No, you can't lick my fingers, man. I've got to go wash them. Yeah. See, Sophia. Hello. She's not a fisherman, but she eats fish.